In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail or GSuite account to HighLevel so you don't keep getting those authentication errors. If you're new here, my name is Armando and I help local businesses get more leads and sales using the internet. And if that's something you're interested in, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future content. So the very first thing that you're going to do is log into your HighLevel account. From your HighLevel account, we are going to navigate on the left-hand pane all the way down to the settings section, and we're going to go to SMTP and mailgun services. Now, once you're on the SMTP screen, you're going to have a few options in here. If you've already got a Gmail account or a GSuite account connected and you just keep getting that error message, all you want to do is click on the edit button and open up the section where you can enter your credentials. If you've not connected your Gmail and this is the first time you're trying to do that, click on add a service, choose your Gmail from the drop down box, and it'll bring you to the same screen where you're going to have to enter your Gmail address and your credentials. Now, if you've had a working Gmail or GSuite account connected or you're trying to add one and you keep getting an authentication error, it's because as of May 30th, 2022, Google is no longer supporting third-party apps and devices that are asking for that user email and password. Now, in order to fix this, we're going to have to create an app specifically for that service. Now, in order to fix this, you're going to go to the Gmail account that you want to connect to your HighLevel account. You're going to click on the top right hand corner in your account name, and you're going to select the option that says manage your Google account. Now, once you're in security section, you want to come down to the section that says sign into Google. Now, you're going to have a couple options in here, password and two-step verification. Now, two-step verification must be on before you're allowed to create an SMTP app to authenticate to HighLevel. Now, if you do not have two-step verification and you're using GSuite, that means that you need to come in here and enroll yourself in that option. So if you're using GSuite, not Gmail, but GSuite, and you're using the Google Workspaces, you need to go to the admin console. From the admin console, you need to head down to the security section of that organization. From the security section, you need to go to two-step verification, and you need to make sure that the organization that you're using, that you have this option checked off, which is allow users for two-step verification. That is actually going to give you this step here. Once you've got this, if you're looking at this screen here and it shows exactly like what you're seeing here, you'll have to just enroll yourself in two-step verification. Just click it and go through the process there. Once that's done, you're going to come back again to the security section, and now you're going to have a third option that says apps password. You'll want to click on apps password. It's going to ask you to sign into your Google account again, but it's going to bring you to this screen where you're allowed to create a password now. So what you want to do is select app, and you want to choose other. From other, you want to just give this a name. You'll just want to give this a name that makes sense to you, and you want to generate a unique password for that device. Now, what you want to do is copy this password that you've got here. You want to head on over to HighLevel in the section where the SMTP settings are, and just type that in the password section instead of your normal password that you use to sign on to Gmail or GSuite. Once you do that, click save. And that is going to prevent any more authentication issues for Gmail or G Suite. And you can do this for any one of your clients and your client's accounts as well. So once that's done, you're fully set up and integrated with Gmail or G Suite. You're not going to have any more authentication errors. You don't need to worry about less secure apps and any of that other nonsense. So if this was really helpful, click the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not using HighLevel yet, there is a link in the description to go ahead and get a 14-day free trial of HighLevel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.